The society we live in has taken what was an objective science, objective public health messaging, and turned it into having a political spin.
Everybody's siloed off. You don't know who to believe. Misinformation spreads 6 times faster than regular information.
Anyone can say anything they want and really represent themselves to be whoever they want.
And actually what they need to hear is from physicians and from medical and scientific experts about the recommendations, the facts, and the science.
The physician has an enormous amount of sympathy and understanding of what patients go through.
If we defragment the politics out of it and actually stick with just communication and understanding humans, physicians are the perfect people to communicate things like medical stuff, because that's what we do.
Something as simple as a flu shot can decrease hospitalizations by 70%.
For physicians and medical students who are looking to have their voice resonate with others, I think that the key advice that I can give you is to know that you matter. I think a lot of time we are caught up in just thinking that we're just one individual and our one voice can't make a change. And I think it's that thinking that really detracts us from using our voice to communicate across the spectrum of our thoughts that can really have, hopefully, a very positive influence on the direction of medicine.
As physicians and medical students, we're very privileged. We've had access to education, to training, to information, to resources that the average person doesn't. And because of that, it's important that we use that background, use our knowledge to understand scientific literature, but then interpret it.
So if we can just continue to have students mask in schools, having to spend a lot of money on ventilation isn't going to be as big of an issue, especially as more and more people get vaccinated.
I hope to be perceived as someone trustworthy, honest, and kind, but also someone who's not afraid to call things out when it's time for change in the status quo or for a different way of approaching a problem.
I want to be an effective voice for accurate, evidence-based medical information. To me, it's not about being the loudest voice in the room, the first voice in the room. It's about being the most effective. And the way you do that is by being human first. We scientists follow the evidence. Evidence changes as evidence grows, as we learn more about the pandemic, as we learn more about the things that are happening with the reopening process, we'll continue to update and make these changes.
The public is looking for good information, and they're looking for experts who have the training to give them the evidence-based knowledge and guidance that they seek.
That's it.
Showing people that you're there with them in the present moment with understanding, knowledge, compassion, that leads to trust.
Find yourself a platform, whether it's Instagram, Twitter, or TikTok, or whether it's print media or traditional academic research and journaling, a place to start to share your voice.
Understand that there is no venue too small, whether it's going to your child's elementary school and talking about vaccines or science, or picking up the phone and calling an editor of an article either online or in a newspaper, a magazine, or a television show. Don't let any misinformation go by without responding to it.
You have the training, you have the knowledge.
When you step up and speak out, your patients will trust you and they'll do the right thing.
Our voice can make a difference.
So just go out and do it.